Hey y'all, I'm Teraj, and let me tell you, in my opinion, nothing makes a gift more special than a fancy bow on top. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create 3 different bows made out of ribbon. Now, this is a whiskey glass gift box set from the WeddingWire shop, and it includes a glass that you could personalize, and it also comes with some whiskey stones. And it's an awesome way to ask your best friends to be a part of your upcoming wedding. All right, first up is the classic bow. Now, this bow is a great way to top off any package and it will certainly wow your friends. First, prep your ribbon by measuring the height from the base of one end to the length across the top, and then the height from the top to the base of the opposite end. And the easy trick here is that you're going to multiply this 5 to 6 times to be able to wrap the ribbon around the entire box. So you just pretty much fold it in half, and then once you find that center mark, you place it on the box, right there on top. Super simple. You just flip the box over while keeping that middle point anchored. So wrap it around, and then you just hold it in the middle and just give it a little twist. So after you do that little twist, just bring it around as so, flip it over to the top, and then we're gonna bring it to the middle again. All right, so next up, you take these 2 pieces of ribbon here, and then you have to loop it underneath this first piece here, just like that. And this will require a little bit of finesse because you have to tie a knot underneath the ribbon. Yeah, it's just like that. Next, you take the 2 loose ends and you tie it into a bow and pull it tight. Now take a little time to make sure you perfect this bow. You want it to look all cute. Last but not least, let's get a little fancy. So I'm gonna trim the bow right around here in an upward angle. It gives it these little cute ends. The next bow is what I like to call a floral bow because the finished product looks like a poofy flower, which makes it so visually appealing on a gift box. For this bow, all you need is a ribbon of your liking. Make sure you choose one that's like nice and wide for maximum floof, a pair of scissors, a glue gun, or some tape. So next you're gonna take a long piece of ribbon. So the trick is have your fingers spread a little bit apart. That way you have a little bit of wiggle room, and then you start wrapping it around your fingers. It's like 5 or 6 loops. So you're gonna cut any remaining ribbon off. You have to carefully slip it off your hand to make sure the loops don't come undone. And you just simply fold it in half. So we're gonna flip it to where the fold is, and you're just gonna cut the ends off, but be careful not to cut too close to the center here. So you're gonna cut another piece of ribbon, and then you're gonna undo the fold. You're gonna take this ribbon and tie a knot right in the center of the bow. All right, now for the fun part, to turn it into like a nice fluffy flower. You're just gonna start from the inside, and you're gonna pull out each little loop. And as you pull it out, you're gonna give it a little twist towards you. Just gotta put in work, pull it out, twist it towards you, each one. Go, it's coming together, it's starting to look like one of those rewards that you used to get as a kid. And now, here's the little trick to turn it into that beautiful little flower. I'd say go with every other one. Just start pulling it out on top of the other one. And for the next step, you're just gonna cut another piece of ribbon. Whoa, here we go. So we're just gonna glue this piece down here. Next step, you're just gluing this down. And look at how cute that is. All right, now we saved the best for last. Now I feel like everybody and their mama has a curling ribbon lying around the house somewhere, so let's put it to good use. Grab your favorite colored curling ribbon, scissors, a piece of cardstock, and a stapler, and let's get curling. Pro tip, choose a variety of colors to add some more pizzazz and style to your ribbons. Now, here's the part where you have to curl each ribbon. The trick, a lot of patience and practice. So you're gonna grab your scissors, careful here because this edge can be a bit sharp. So just place your thumb there below that edge. Once you put the ribbon there, hold it tight. You're just gonna pull. Just keep pulling. So continue cutting and curling until you achieve the desired look, and I like it nice and full. So I curled a lot of these here. So you gather all the pieces into a cluster and get ready to staple them together into your cardstock. Kind of put them kind of on the middle. You just affix it there with a little glue gun. You can adjust it however you like. And there you have it. With only a few supplies, you could create 3 different bows that make great additions to any gift box. And don't forget to check out the WeddingWire shop to learn more about this whiskey set, as well as countless other gift options. And be sure to subscribe to the WeddingWire channel, and happy crafting.